Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide what game you're playing from other players on your Xbox One. This is very easy. This is the setting. Others can see your game in app history. Decide who can see your game in app history. We have everybody as an option, friends or block. So if we set to block, no one can see what game we're playing. Now to get to this setting, it's very easy. Just on the home screen here, let's tab over using R1. Go to our profile. Go to settings. Now under here, let's go to account, go to the right and go to privacy and online safety, then type in your passkey if you got one, then go to Xbox privacy, then go to view details and customize, then go to online status in history, go to the right and here's the setting. Others can see your game in app history. Decide who can see your game in app history. So set to friends or block. Now you can also go to others can see what you're watching or listening to. You can set this to friends or block. Then we have others can see if you're online. We have everybody, friends, or block right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.